let's see, her birthday's coming up. You've got that anniversary, a graduation party. She loves chocolate. She loves to sew. What should we get her? Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to Minerva. Don't worry, we've got you covered. I have a top 10 list for you that'll be perfect for both experienced sewers and beginners alike. Have you been surfing the Minerva website? Do you admire all those gorgeous fabrics and textures and you just can't wait to get started? You have your sewing machine, you might even have your iron and a rotary cutter. But what else do you need? These items are going to make your sewing journey just a little bit easier. Coming in at number 10 are the Simplicity Style Pins. They're from Simplicity's vintage line, and they're not only sharp and pointy and perfect for holding fabrics together, they're cute. They have a rhinestone head. They come in black, blue, clear, and coral. Number 9. Well, you've got the pins, so number 9 has to be a pin dish. Simplicity's vintage line also has a pin bowl. It's magnetized. It will hold your pins safely right next to your sewing machine. The Stash and Store Organizer comes in at number 8. If you're just starting out, try to be as organized as you can, and this Stash and Store Organizer is going to help you. It will hold all of your tools in an upright position, everything from your marking tools to your scissors to your rotary cutter, whatever you need. You can keep it right behind your sewing machine or on your cutting table. The colors we have to offer are aqua, navy, pink, red, gray, and mint green. Coming in at number 7 is the Gutermann Sew All Thread Set. Gutermann makes a high-quality, multi-purpose thread, which is perfect for not only beginner sewers, but advanced sewers as well. This set comes with 20 different colors, which is perfect to get you started for any project. Okay, last one for beginners. Coming in at number 6, my favorite for beginner sewers is the Stork Scissors by Hemline. I keep a set of these next to my sewing machine and my serger as well. They're very sharp, they're very pointy, they're very pretty. Did you know the stork shape originated with midwives? This was a tool they used in their delivery kit. Okay, experienced sewers, these next 5 are for you. Coming in at number 5 is the Millward Point Presser and Clapper. This point presser and clapper will help you tackle difficult fabrics that you don't want to lay the iron down on, such as wool. The point presser is going to help you turn perfect collars, and all of your projects will have a professional touch. Number 4, sewers, you need a new set of fabric scissors. Mine are 30 years old, and that's why at number 4, I've put the Prim fabric scissors. I love Prim style. These fabric scissors will not only be sharp and brand new, but they're also really cute. You can't go wrong with that teal color. At number 3, this next one is just a total convenience buy. It's Simplicity's bobbin winder. I know your sewing machine winds the bobbin, but sometimes it's really convenient to wind a bobbin without having to unthread your sewing machine. That's why this one's number 3 on the list. You'll love the convenience of it. I know you probably have a bag for your sewing machine, so you can travel to sewing weekenders and quilting parties. But do you have one for your overlocker? I don't have one, and I do take my serger places. So this bag by Hemline is the perfect way to transport your serger from place to place. And number 1, my favorite item on this list is the Simplicity Style Poster. I know it's not a notion, it's not a tool, it's a total impulse buy, but it is so pretty. This poster takes you back to a time where there was vintage style, just an elevation of clothing and fashion. Even if you don't have a sewing room, because you love to sew, this would look perfect in your house, your sewing space, your sewing room, wherever. It's just really pretty and I love it. Thanks for tuning in today with this top 10 list. I hope it helps you choose some items, maybe for yourself or maybe for a sewer in your life. All of the products that I've talked about today will be linked below. Please feel free to ask any questions or leave a comment. Also, before you leave, go ahead and sign up for the Minerva Craft Club, where you can get 10% off of all of your purchases. Thanks again for watching.